What's up everybody, I'm Jesse, this is my garage, and today, Happy New Year 2021, January 1st, welcome. We've got some new tools that we need to get set up where we can continue on with that project. So over here, pile of boxes, we need to get that set up. It is a shop press. We'll use it on some of the suspension parts, not only for the 300ZX, but when you need a press, you need a press. And there's not a lot of substitute for it. So we'll get that set up today, but first we gotta get this garage cleaned up. So it's a new year, let's start it off right, get this place cleaned up. Get this 300ZX out of here, we'll be clear. All right, well the cars are all moved out. I've got everything in the garage moved around. This bay is pretty much empty. So we're gonna head and scrub the floor, make it looking nice, get it started right for the new year. So let's get the floor scrubbed. It's a nice clean work area for the new year. Move on to the next part of this cleaning project. I think we're gonna put the shop press right over there. Let's go ahead and get some stuff moved around. Let's get those boxes open. All right, 3 boxes here. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go ahead and open them up, see what's in there, and see what it's gonna take to put this thing together. All right, well there is our pile of parts. We got our legs, a bunch of hardware on the jack itself, so shouldn't be too hard. I'm just gonna bolt all these iron pieces together. All right, well that was super simple to put together. This is the 12-ton shop press, new tool, new year. I think we need to try this out. I have a lower control arm from a 240SX from that's just kind of spare. I think we're gonna press the bearing out of that and just see how this works. Over here to my part bin, I guess. A lot of that's trash. Get this situated here. All right, I think I've got it set up. It's tricky. You gotta make sure there's enough room underneath for it to push through. The plates are on there, nothing's gonna slide around. Something's moving. It's going. Oh yeah. All right, well there's our bushing. Take a little practice, but there we go. We got this guy out. All right, we got to play with the press a little bit. Knock that bushing. What this will set us up for, you know, this nice clean area right here. Set us up for taking the suspension and getting that freshened up on the 300ZX. We can tackle that box, that pile of boxes right there. That's all stuff for that car. Suspension, brakes, all the good stuff that'll give us a great platform. Freshen that car up a bunch, make the suspension new again. But I think that's gonna be it for today. New year, clean garage, new tools, put them up, get that put away in the corner. We'll bring all the rest of the cars in here, and then I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.